Welcome to Autopulse. Imagine cruising down a scenic trail, the fresh air in your face, and not a single drop of fuel being burned. That's the beauty of the Eco Tender Camper Tricycle, a lightweight, self-sustaining camper designed for ultimate freedom on three wheels. Today, we're diving deep into this incredible innovation, exploring its design, features, and what makes it a game-changer for eco-conscious travelers. Now, let's talk power. The Eco Tender Camper Tricycle is equipped with a dual power system, pedal assist and solar electric drive. The 750-watt hub motor provides enough boost to tackle steep inclines, while the roof-mounted solar panels recharge the battery as you ride or rest. On a sunny day, you can extend your range significantly without ever plugging in. What about storage and living space? This compact camper is cleverly designed. The rear section unfolds into a fully functional micro-living space, complete with a retractable bed, a fold-out table, and ample storage compartments. Think of it as a tiny home on wheels, optimized for minimalist adventure. You might be wondering, is it comfortable? Absolutely. The ergonomic seat is designed for long rides, and the adjustable suspension system absorbs shocks from rough terrain. Whether you're cruising on a paved road or exploring off-grid trails, the ride remains smooth and enjoyable. Let's step inside and explore the interior. The bed folds down easily, creating a cozy sleeping space for one or two people. Overhead, a skylight provides natural lighting during the day and a clear view of the stars at night. There's even an integrated ventilation system to keep air flowing, ensuring comfort in any climate. Now, what about the kitchen? The Eco Tender Camper Tricycle comes with a compact, pull-out kitchenette featuring an induction cooktop powered by the onboard battery, a small sink with a foot-pump water system, and a collapsible counter for food prep. It's designed for efficiency, allowing you to prepare meals with minimal energy use. And yes, there's even an eco-friendly bathroom solution. A portable dry composting toilet is tucked away in a discreet compartment, making it possible to live off-grid without leaving a trace. One of the standout features of this camper trike is its smart tech integration. A digital dashboard displays real-time battery levels, solar charging stats, GPS navigation, and weather updates. You can even sync it with a mobile app to monitor your trip data, track solar efficiency, and adjust settings for optimized energy use. Now, let's talk about range and performance. With a full battery charge and favorable solar conditions, the Eco Tender Camper Tricycle can travel up to 100 miles on electric assist alone. Add in human-powered pedaling, and your range extends even further. Top speed? It maxes out at around 28 miles per hour with pedal assist, making it perfect for both urban commuting and long-distance touring. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The tricycle is equipped with high-visibility LED lights, turn signals, and a regenerative braking system that not only enhances stopping power but also helps recharge the battery. For those who love customization, there are plenty of options. You can add extra solar panels, upgrade to a larger battery pack, or even install a small wind turbine for additional energy generation. Now, let's talk about why this is such a revolutionary concept. In a world where fuel prices continue to rise and environmental concerns are at an all-time high, having a sustainable, self-sufficient travel option is a game-changer. The Eco Tender Camper Tricycle allows adventurers to explore without worrying about gas stations, expensive campsites, or heavy carbon footprints. Imagine setting off on a cross-country journey, charging your camper with nothing but the sun, camping wherever your heart desires, and living a lifestyle that's both adventurous and sustainable. That's the future this trike offers. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable compared to traditional RVs and camper vans. With a fraction of the cost, you get a fully functional mobile living space that requires no fuel, no expensive insurance, and minimal maintenance. So, who is this perfect for? If you're a digital nomad looking for an off-grid work setup, a nature enthusiast craving multi-day camping trips, or simply someone who loves sustainable travel, this could be your dream vehicle. Of course, no product is without its challenges. The compact space means you have to be mindful of what you bring. And while the solar panels provide excellent energy, cloudy days may require some strategic planning. But for those willing to embrace a minimalist lifestyle, these trade-offs are well worth it. As technology advances, we're likely to see even more innovations in this space. More efficient batteries, lighter materials, and even AI-driven energy management could take the concept of solar-powered camper trikes to the next level. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more sustainable travel content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and ride free with Liberty Nomad.